Okay, hi guys. Once again, thanks for watching our channel. Today we're doing the 2004 F150, the V8 Lariat. We had a problem with the towing plug. We were trying to tow the boat out, but the left turn signal and the brake lights on the left side were not working. So what we did, let me try to get out of the way. What we did, we tried to go down and we got all wires stripped from the harness, and we tried to follow with the tester where the signal going in and going out. Everything going to this plug right here, it was working fine. Coming out, it was the problem. Specifically, the yellow wire. Excuse me. That yellow wire, it was coming out with no signal. Hey, was it going out with the signal but stops after the
No, we thought that there is an issue because we haven't kind of aftermarket plug, or not the factory one.
Okay, just in case if you're not hearing him, what he's saying, this we thought there is something wrong because there was an aftermarket.
There is an extra plug, so that's one of these are the factory, which is 7 pins, and the other one, the 4
aftermarket.
pin, I think it's added. So we were not sure what is the problem is coming from.
Okay, just a second. I did not catch that in the camera at all.
So we have that.
So that's manufacturer. That's
I think
factory.
so. Yeah, that's the factory.
Okay,
And
which it goes here.
yeah, that's the 7 pin tow trailer plug.
Okay.
And then they also, when we bought the truck, they have that 4 pins.
That was actually mounted here.
It wasn't mounted at all.
It was not. It was like
it's just like
okay.
hanging down.
But it's supposed to mount here.
I'm not sure.
It looks like it.
It looks like.
Yeah.
Okay. So anyway, we were not sure what the problem is coming from because we had no turn signal or brake lights
on the left side.
On the left side, even from the manufacturer. The 7 pin, or I'm not sure, are both manufactured like original or no, or even from this one. So we thought maybe there is a
loose connection, or
yeah, in the wire here. So we start to cut and get everything to expose all the wires, and we try to track the yellow wire here that has the issue, because when I test it here, we had that's your ground. I think that's a running light, and then that's the right brake.
Right brake and signal,
and
left brake and signal.
Supposed to be the left brake and signal that was not working. So I tracked it all the way, and there is like a connection here.
And just I want to be honest for a second. He did ask me, do you think it's a fuse? I said no, because only couple trucks I worked with, when it's a fuse for the trailer light, it's usually one fuse for the whole plug.
Yeah.
But
anyway,
then
we tracked all the way, and that's the yellow, and we try with our tester and no response. So the yellow here is responding to the yellow in the top here, and also when we did with the tester and we poked through, and
so
still
you had the juice, you had
no, we
hot,
had
no juice here,
no juice in the yellow one.
and so both sides.
Yes.
Okay.
So that brought us, okay, now we don't have any juice from, looks like the beginning of that wire, and we thought the beginning of that wire should be the fuse box or something in the front. If we track all the way that, like,
it's actually goes
wires,
it's the harness. It's the main harness for the truck. It has nothing to do with the trailer.
yeah. So we decided to look up all the way back, and we found that it's going all the way to the fuse boxes. So we
discovered this fuse number 42
we found out there is
is responsible of the left turn signal.
There's two fuses.
Oh my god, yes.
36 I think is the right side, 42 is the left side. So now we're gonna change the fuse and see if everything is gonna work or no. But we hope that will be the case, so we don't have to dig anymore. So it's a 10 amp fuse.
I'm not sure, so we're gonna go look for fuse 42.
Yeah.
All right, and after we finish the fuse, after we test it, if it's bad, we're gonna change it and come back here with the tester and test. I would say test the aftermarket plug, because if that one has juice coming to it, I'm sure the 7 pins.
I think we can test both. I have a connection here that
it has. Oh, yes.
The 7 to 4 anyway.
He got an adapter for the 7 pins or pins. Sorry, it goes from 7 pins. It gives you four lines.
So we're gonna test both.
All right. So leave that out. It's not a big deal. So let's go test the fuse.
Okay, guys.
All right, guys. So now we're in the passenger side. The passenger side, right by the panel, right here. And the glove compartment's right here. You see this big bulk piece, that big, I don't know, that big space. You pull it towards you, toward the driver's side, and go and pull out. And what's the idea behind that? There's 2 tabs here. It goes inside these 2 grooves. Can you see them with the camera? 1, 2, and to put it back in is you put these 2 pieces in here, then you go in there. So now we're gonna pull it out. This cover is for the fuse box. This is that big black piece. From the top, pull it, it will pull out. And just to let you know where if any fuse is. So we're looking for fuse 42. So we have fuse 23, 24, 1, 2, 3, 37, 40, 41. So let's say 42 is around here.
These are big ones.
These are the big ones. So the big ones, they usually don't have numbers. Usually the small ones, usually the small ones have numbers. But if you follow in the top, all the way up here in the corner, you see fuse 42. That's the one we're gonna test. And to know the position of that fuse is if you put the lid or the cover back in place, and we have fuse 42 is right there. So that means fuse 42 is right behind it. And I can see it. I cannot see it. It should be here. And it should be, according to the diagram here, actually it doesn't tell me how many amps, but the fuse itself is gonna tell me how many amps. Let me get some light. Maybe the camera will catch it. Can you see in the camera?
It's hard.
It's hard. Do you see it? Let me see here. Hopefully the camera catches it. It should be a fuse right here. Oh, I feel it. Now I feel it. It's right here. That's 42. So it's either we can pull it and see if it's blown or not, or test it where it's in place. I want to go with test it first.
So okay guys, I hope you can see the fuse. That's the one here behind the relay. That's the fuse 42, and we have our tester here. And to test it, we have the left turn on, and you just need to try to touch both of these metal ends. Let me put the camera a little bit back here and try to do the test. So as you guys can see, the lamp is on one side is turning on and off like that turn signal, and if we touch the other one, came out like 0. That's mean it's an indication that that fuse is blown. So now we're gonna change that fuse and test everything. So we test it with the tester, and the fuse is working now. Now we're gonna start put all the harnesses and everything back together, and we're gonna put the insulator back, then we'll connect the trailer and check it.
Right guys, we put all the harness back together in the bottom, and now we're gonna test it. We connected with the aftermarket one. We did not connect it with the 7 pins yet, but let's see. Can you get the running light? Running. Brakes. Okay, it's on. Signal is on. Running light. Running. Okay, brakes. Lift signal. Let go of the brakes. All right, the other side. Brakes. Let go. Signal. All right. I think that's it. That would do it.
Connect the other one.
Let's connect the adapter to the.
Okay.
All right. That's the adapter to the manufacturer, the factory, 7 pins. The marker is working. Running light. Now, did you hit brakes, right? The signal. Brakes. Signal. I think it's going good. Looking good. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video. I hope this video is helpful for you. Once again, it was 2004 F150, the new style. The
I think since 2004, the new style 2008, doesn't matter if it's the V6 or the V8 or all-wheel drive.
Yeah, when it comes to electrical connections, I think everything is the same. Maybe you will find some couple fuses different.
Yeah, because when we were going over the fuse diagram,
they were talking about fuse you don't even have.
Yeah.
But thanks for watching. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Please help us share, like, subscribe, and thumbs up, whatever you can do. Thanks for watching.